Everyone, welcome to Business Intelligence. My name is Nisar. Today, we're going to look at how to build out KPIs and show it on a worksheet, and also give you different options in the Show Me option in Tableau. We're almost at the home stretch in building out a Superstore dashboard. We just have one more view left. So let's take a look at what we want to build. Every dashboard should have some type of KPI or important metric that we want to measure, and you want to highlight this. How do we do that? Let's take a look at our dashboard and how we're highlighting our KPIs. So here's our dashboard. We've built all the visuals here, but the KPIs that are most important to us are sales and profit, and you see them at the top. You always want to have them, your most important metrics, at the top, and that's typically the best practice on any type of dashboard. So how do we put this on our dashboard? And how do we build this? This is actually a separate view, a separate worksheet. We come back here and we create a new worksheet. What I'd like to show you is a way to do it that is a shortcut. It's called Show Me. So Show Me is a quick and easy way to build any type of visual, not just for KPIs, but I want to show it using KPIs. So we're going to bring in our two metrics, which are sales and profit. So I'm going to go here, double click on sales, double click on profit. It doesn't matter where it is right now, but default, it creates this histogram for us, or scatter plot. We want to change this. We're going to click on the Show Me option. Now here you have some predetermined visuals that you can select without having to make it yourself. So when you click here, you can see scatter plots, bullet graphs, bar charts are available. But what we're going to select here is the text table. And now it creates the profit and sales with the numbers displayed how we would like it, similar to a KPI. Bring the measure names to your columns. Take this and put it onto your dashboard. Click on the measure pill. You're going to see measure values. Okay, the measure values are your text. There are two values in here. The values are the sum of profit and the sum of sales. Click on the measure values and go to format. Change the sizing. I'll make this 12. Make it a little bit bigger. Make this a currency because they're numbers, and we'll make it 0 decimal places. Click on the header. I can make it bold, and I could align it center. So this is the title that I'm going to use. Again, you could make it smaller, bigger, whatever, however you wish, whatever sizing is convenient to you. I'll just call this total sales and profit. We are not going to show this title in the dashboard, so I'm not going to worry about formatting it here. It literally is just here for the naming of the worksheet. Let's explore the Show Me option. So in the top right here, the Show Me in Tableau refers to a feature that helps users quickly visualize their data in various chart types. In Tableau, you can use Show Me menu to change your chart types of selected views. So the Show Me option allows you to instantly transform your data visualization by selecting certain predetermined, intelligently suggested appropriate chart types. So in our example here, based on the data that we have selected, we have a bar chart. Click on it, it'll create a bar chart for you. Or we can do a scatter plot or a bullet graph. All the options that are grayed out are not available based on our data selection. Okay, histogram as well. So this is a great tool that you can explore to quickly and easily create visualizations. What we're going to do though is we're going to go back and revert back to what we had. You could click the back button to revert, or Control Z to go back to what we had. So now you know how to build KPIs, show them on a worksheet, and have different options available on Show Me. So please remember to like and subscribe and watch my previous videos, because next we're going to go and actually start building the dashboard. We're going to put it all together, all the worksheets together on the dashboard, and have it interactive and filterable. So we'll see you next time.